Ooh, let's take a look inside. All right, Chameleon was kind enough to give me a tour and let me roam around the store here, or rather the manufacturing plant here in Sparks. Very cool. This is where it all happens, folks. Your antennas are manufactured in the USA, right here. This is the infamous back room. Looks like where they keep a lot of their stock and do their shipping. Lots and lots of backpacks if you need a backpack. Ooh, a box of whips. Loop City. Yeah, looks like there's a lot of loop stuff. Just a box full of spikes. A little bin full of masts there. Oh, sweet. Here looks like the wire bin. Here's all the different impasse wire setups. Oh, cool. I like the new colors they got here for the OCF antenna system. Looks like we got a blue, a yellow, an orange, and a dark green. Well, a ton of MCOM 2s. All your hybrid minis. Nice stock of Vienna power batteries. Stingers. Lots and lots of stingers. Box of Chameleon shirts. Don't forget to get your Chameleon shirt. Like the Chaw Hybrid there. We got the Chaw Skyloop 2.0. Just boxes and boxes of counterpoise wires. Your guide systems. Everything you need, Chameleon's got it right here. It's dark on this room, but this is the loop room. A lot of magnetic loops here. Thank you, Chameleon, for letting us take a peek inside.